Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and you're watching Lovehoney TV, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that if you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. This week we are talking about metal sex toys, the benefits of them and how you use them. But before I dive in, I've got to remind you to subscribe so that you never miss an episode again. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with metal sex toys, they tend to look a little something like this. Ta-da! Now the benefits of metal sex toys is that they're non-gendered, they're non-anatomically correct and they're unisex. So it doesn't matter how you identify, what your sexual preferences are or what you like in bed. These metal toys are suitable for all. You never need to replace any batteries because they don't have any. They're completely silent, so they're super discreet. The only noise you'll ever hear from these is if you drop them and the noise coming from you when you use them. And to top it all off, you can use any type of lubricant that you like with a metal toy because it's suitable for use with all types of lubricant. So that's fantastic in itself. When you're shopping for a metal sex toy, the first thing you need to think about is what type of stimulation you're after. For example, if you really like a lot of sensation and texture, then something like this would be ideal. It's got this gorgeous tapered tip, then a graduating body, and it's got a really bulbed end. You can use this however you like, double-ended if you fancy. However, this is best used as a handle. Now, if you're looking for something a little sleeker, a little smoother, and perhaps for some amazing G-spot stimulation, then something like this would be ideal. This is the Enjoy G-spot steel dildo. As you can see, it's got a really strong curve and it's got a bulbed end, so you can apply a lot of pressure onto that G-spot. So that would be absolutely ideal for smooth, sleek G-spot stimulation. So when it comes to physically using the toys, you're going to want to get your hands on some lubricant. It reduces friction and makes everything feel a lot slicker, and you can also feel sensations better with a little bit of lube. Now, as I mentioned before, because these are made from metal, you can use any type of lube that tickles your fancy. So that might be an oil-based lube or a silicone-based lube, but I'd always highly recommend using a good quality water-based lube because then you can transfer that use to any of your other sex toys. So what you're going to want to do is pop a little bit of lube on yourself and on the toy, and then gently and slowly insert. Now it's up to you how you physically use this toy. Just experiment and find out which sensations work best. Now, metal toys can be quite cold to the touch. They take a little bit of time to warm up. I've been holding this for a few minutes now and it's still really cool. So if that's an issue for you, pop this in some warm water to start with, just for a few minutes, and it'll warm it up to body temperature so you don't get that chill when you first start using it. You can also put them in the fridge if you really want them cold. Now, as you'd imagine, metal toys can also be quite weighty. So if you're new to them, you might want to start off with something smaller or lighter. And when you're all done, you can wash this either in some warm soapy water, you can pop it in the dishwasher, or you can use sex toy cleaner, whatever you want. Just make sure you give it a good clean and store it separately, ready for its next use. Hello? Is that ultimate pleasure? Yes. Yes, it is. If you want to share your own experiences with metal toys, or you've got any tips or tricks that I've missed, please pop your comments in the comments box below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe so that you never miss a video again, the button is somewhere over there. And if you want to watch another video, there's one coming right up after this. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching Lovehoney TV. I'll see you next week.